Hi children, today let us learn about social reformers, scientists and kings of our country, India. Social reformers. Social reformers are those who try to wipe out the evil practices from the society. Today, let us learn some of the reformers of India. Saint Kabir. He was born in Varanasi. He removed the evil practices in Hinduism. Saint Kabir removed the evil practices in Hinduism. He believed that loving God is more important than performing rituals. He spread awareness by reciting dohas. Next, we'll see about Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He worked to abolish sati. Raja Ram Mohan Roy worked to abolish sati. What is sati? Sati was an evil practice which involved wife burning herself in the pyre of her dead husband. Due to his great efforts, sati was banned by the British government. Now let us learn about Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He was a Muslim reformer who wanted to improve the living conditions of the Muslims. He gave importance to education. He established the Aligarh Muslim University. Who established the Muslim Aligarh University? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established the Aligarh Muslim University. He worked to improve the status of women. Now let us learn about some scientists of our country. India has produced a great number of scientists like J.C. Bose, C.V. Raman and A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. In ancient India, developed a system of medicine called Ayurveda. The concept of zero and decimal system are India's contribution to the world. Now, some of the kings of our country. There were many great kings in the history of our country. Now let us learn about Ashoka. He was the first king to defy wars. This happened when he saw a large number of dead and wounded people at the war of Kalinga. Ashoka became a Buddhist and sent his children to spread the message of Buddha. Now we move to Krishnadeva Raya. He was the king of Vijayanagar who stood for the welfare of the people. He wrote a number of books and was also a poet. Krishnadeva Raya was a poet. Now let us learn about Akbar. He was a Mughal emperor who worked for the welfare of the people. Akbar promoted art, music and literature. He formed a new religion called Din-e-Ilahi. What was the name of Akbar's religion? His religion was Din-e-Ilahi. This is all about the lesson number 1. So next video we will see lesson number 2. Okay children, bye, take care.